So this morning I'm bringing you with me to show you my beautiful irises in bloom, and this happens. Yeah, this came running down the stairs from the backyard into the front yard, is now just kind of hanging out. So I guess we have company for today's little short video, but I just wanted to take you along, show you some of these beautiful irises. Check this out. One thing I love about irises is check this little, almost like a caterpillar right there on the edge there. That is, I'm sure in some way attracting pollinators or doing something beneficial for the plant, but that is pretty neat. But it's this beautiful yellow is doing quite well. Now, a couple years ago, we had some bad winters, and a lot of these things, you know, bad drought, a lot of them kind of died back, but they are definitely coming back. But if you look over here, this one is one of my particular favorites. Look how beautiful this is, guys. This is absolutely stunning, in my opinion. And there's only one of these left. There were a couple of them. I actually got these as a division from somebody. But yeah, look at that. That is fascinating to me, just how the shape of an iris flower. And look inside of that. That is so neat. I think it was it Monet that painted irises? Yeah, you can see why, right? I mean, they're just amazing. The only sad part about irises is they bloom very shortly, and you know, once they're gone, and the blades of the plant are fine, but they don't really have a lot of, you know, long-lasting appeal to it. But yeah, that is just fantastic. Just a sea of yellow, and hopefully when we get back over here, this one here will actually start to multiplying and filling out a little bit more. But let me show you some other ones over here. Now this variety, and of all the varieties, I actually don't know the name of any of them, so if you're asking for a name reference, sorry, I don't have that for you. But this one is, just look at the variations of the colors, guys. I do encourage you, for all your flowers, not just irises, get out there up close and look at what these flowers look like on the inside. That is so cool. Just the beautiful little iris flower. Now this little patch here has not yet bloomed, but it will. I'll take you along, show you some of those as they kind of grow later into the season. As I mentioned, we had that serious drought last year, so I was worried that a lot of things wouldn't really rebound, but you know, here you are. They are definitely coming back to life. This needs to be weeded desperately, but we've had so much rain. It's rained like 6 straight days, so I haven't really even had the opportunity to be even in the garden because it's just soaking wet all the time. So just a little quick short iris video for you guys. Hope it was enjoyable. Hope you have a good spring. Hope your flowers are blooming wherever you may be. But there you go, guys. Nothing like a nice flush of spring flowers.